Do you want, you want help? Careful. There you go. You want to feed her something too? She doesn't like strawberries. Here, feed her a carrot. Give her this. Say Violet. Say Violet. Hey Maple, what does a snake say?
Yeah.
What does a dinosaur say? What does a cat say? What does a cat say? Do you remember? What does a piggy say? What does a piggy say? Where's Maple's hair? That's right. And where's Maple's belly? That's right. And where are Maple's feet? That's right. So smart. Where are Maple's eyes? Eyes? That's a hard one. Soda? Where are Maple's teeth? Where is Maple's tongue? Why are you so cute right now? Cheers! 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 It's gone? All gone? Do you want more pineapple? Do you want the magazine? Magazine? Do you want the flowers? Do you want to watch a video? Yeah? You want to watch a video? Okay. Say, can you say, what does a cat say? That's right. And one more time, what does a dinosaur say? What does he say? Don't shake that. And what does a piggy say? And what does a snake say? That's right. Who's so smart? Maple. Say bye-bye. All done. Bye. Okay, done.